As the holiday season approaches, online shopping and gift-giving are at the top of many people's to-do lists. But before you hit the buy button, it's important to remember that this time of year is also the peak season for cybercriminals. In fact, cybercriminals often ramp up their efforts during the holidays, taking advantage of the influx of online shoppers and the general hustle and bustle of the season. Don't let cybercriminals steal your holiday cheer. Follow our simple steps to protect yourself and your personal information while shopping online, completing work tasks, or simply browsing the web. Check everything twice. It's common for scammers to lure people in with fake deals and offers during the holiday season. They may promise deep discounts on popular items or claim to have limited time offers that are too good to pass up. They may also create fake websites or emails that look like they are from legitimate companies to trick people into giving them sensitive information, such as credit card numbers or bank account information. Here are some tips to help you be more cautious and do your research before making any purchases or providing personal information. Always check the URL of the website you're visiting. If it starts with HTTPS, the site uses encryption to protect your data. Be on the lookout for spelling mistakes in the text or website name. These are often signs that something sketchy is going on. Remember that phishing and other scams tend to increase around Black Friday and the Christmas holidays. Only visit websites that you trust. Don't assume that your personal or corporate email is immune to scams. Your junk folder may contain emails with dangerous links, and so might your inbox. One of the easiest ways for cybercriminals to access your online accounts is by guessing your password. To protect yourself, it's important to use a strong and unique password for every online account you have. Baby, it's cold outside. Hackers don't care about who you are or what you do. They're only interested in taking advantage of any weakness they can find. That's why it's important to be cautious when opening emails, especially at work. If you receive a message from someone you don't know, or if you're not expecting a delivery from the sender of an email, be sure to carefully inspect the message before clicking any links. If in doubt, contact your IT department for guidance. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Stay on the good list. As you enjoy the holiday season, don't let your guard down when it comes to cybersecurity. Follow your usual threat protection methods to keep yourself and your loved ones safe online. This means using multi-factor authentication, creating strong passwords, and ensuring that your antivirus software and DNS security service are up to date. If you're using your company's Wi-Fi network, make sure your employer is taking the necessary precautions to protect employees. You can also use a web filter to protect your personal Wi-Fi network. Stay vigilant and keep an eye on your credit card statements to ensure that your information hasn't been stolen. Remember that phishing attacks can come in many forms, including emails, websites, social media messages, texts, and even calls or QR codes. Stay safe and happy holidays.